Good morning. Today is Sunday, July the 30th, 2023, and we are at the Hattersfield Farm, located near Clathemmet, Washington. I'm sure I'm saying those wrong. I'll put it in the description right here. We had a good night's sleep. It was quiet. This is to a harvest host, although the business is in town, 7 miles away. I went there first because that's where my GPS led me, but the owner brought me up here, and I spent the night here in the hayfield. Very quiet and cool. We're back in the cool weather again, thank goodness. I actually had to close the windows, except for one little one I left open because I have my refrigerator on propane. And I actually had the furnace on a little bit this morning. So Snickers and I have had breakfast, and we're taking our little walk around. And we'll get ready to leave because we're headed a little more west and then south to Tillamook, to the Blue Heron French Cheese Company today, which is also a harvest host. And I'll be buying some cheese there. Okay, stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Hello, you have found my channel, The Crafty Traveler. My name is Lonnie, and I am a 71-year-old female who loves to camp and travel. I'm saying goodbye to my husband for the next 4 months as I travel across country with my little schnauzer Snickers. We're traveling in my Mini Winnie and towing my Honda. Come and subscribe to my channel and follow our adventures. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in Harvest Toast or the Camper Card, use my links below and you'll get a 10% discount. Thank you very much. I've had this RV a little over a year, and I keep learning things about it. I found out that if I had my inverter on, my TVs would turn on, and my Blu-ray players would work. That was just amazing to me. I had not tried that before. I did not have my generator on, and I made sure my refrigerator stayed on propane. I was concerned that if I turned the inverter on, that my refrigerator would automatically go to electric, but it was on propane, and it stayed that way. So with my TV on and my Blu-ray on, I watched a movie out here in a hayfield without any hookups and without a generator. I didn't want to turn my generator on because I am in a hayfield and it seems a little dry, so I wasn't comfortable about putting my generator on and starting a fire, which I don't think it would have, but I just was being cautious. So my TVs, both of them, and my Blu-rays will work on the inverter. And I watched very carefully, and it started out at like 12.8, and by the time I'd watched 2 movies, it was down to 12.5. Now, the first movie I watched when the sun was still out, but the second movie, it started to get dark, and it was dark when it finished. And by the end of the second movie, it was 12.5. So now the sun is out, and it is 13.0, fully charged. Learn something new every day. Goodbye, Hattersfield Farm. You have a very nice hayfield to stay the night. Now I need to get past this rather narrow gate to head out to the highway. And I made it through without a scratch. Little bit of a wide turn there. the Astoria Bridge from Washington to Oregon to Astoria. This will be the second time I've driven the bridge. First time going south. It's 4.5 miles of bridge. I stopped just south of Astoria, which I think is still part of Astoria. Saw Walmart, and then I saw Costco right across the street from Walmart, and they had a gas station. So I only had to pay $4.49 rather than $5.30 some that would have been in Washington. It took a little while to fill my tank, but it was worth it. So I stopped here for lunch. I'm in the Costco parking lot, and I decided, since my inverter is on, to see what channels I get on the TV, and it works. I get 30-some channels with the antenna here in Astoria, and it's on the inverter, and it's bright and sunny outside, so I'm not going to be using up a lot of power, and I'm not going to be here that long. In fact, when I finished eating, I decided to go back across the street to Walmart to actually do some grocery shopping before heading south to Tillamook. Follow along. Snickers and I made it to Tillamook, Oregon. We're at the Blue Heron French Cheese Company. It's about 4 o'clock, so I'm not sure how long they stay open, but we'll find out. If not, I'll have to wait till they open in the morning. Here's where I'm parked. Here's my site. You just kind of drive in and pick a site. There are quite a few RVs around, especially on the other side over there. I wanted to be away from the road. Here's their sign for their area. As soon as I drove in and came this way, I saw all the RVs. I saw the sign. They do have a doggy dispenser. I don't see if they have any trash cans, but I'll keep looking around. So here's the front of the Blue Heron French Cheese Company, and there's a bunch of old farm equipment here, and it says a petting farm, but we'll see where that is. I can't take Snickers in there. Now here's the petting farm. It's mostly goats, looks like geese, some chickens, a little baby llama. I don't want Snickers to get too close or he'll bark. This is their garden area, and they have a candy store over there, although I got candy inside the main store. I got chocolates, and then there's a red barn. There's a food trailer over there, and they have seating for a lot of people. They sell wine and food, and there's a deli inside. It's all very good. I got some cheese and jelly, crackers. I went into the store and bought some items and told the young lady that I was parked in the Harvest Host lot with my RV and wondered if I needed to check in. She goes, "Yes, you do." There was a kiosk just around the corner from her register where Harvest Host members had to put in their name and their email and the license plate of their RV. They do give you this parking permit that you're to put in your windshield. And they have a few little rules. Summer season only. Pull forward into a site. Depending on the length of your RV, 2 may fit in one space. Keep the road and the back clear. Note your space. I'm in space number 6. See, it's a good size area. Don't hear a lot of traffic. Of course, I'm hearing wind blow right now. So maybe that's all I'll hear tonight. She said we could stay 2 nights. However, I have reservations for tomorrow. But it's a beautiful little area. Pretty big area, actually. I'm in number 6. I don't know how many there are. And there are probably, I would guess, at least 20 other RVs here right now. And it's about 5 o'clock this afternoon. She said the hours of the store are from 8 to 5, and the deli closes at 4. So the deli was just closing when I went in, which is fine. I didn't need anything from them right now. But it seems like a very nice place to stay and feel safe. It's a bit breezy and cool, which is nice. And I'm sure we'll have a good night's sleep tonight. Here's what I bought. I bought avocado oil and sea salt crackers. That I'm going to put the brie on with the blackberry jelly. Yum. I also got some bonbons. A couple of chocolate ones. This is a sundae one. And this one, they call it birthday cake. I think I'll be saving that because my birthday is coming up in a couple of days. And I got a patch. Gotta have my patches. Here are my patches. That's the one I just got today at Blue Heron Cheese Company. And some of these I got last year, but most of them I got this year. The desert ones I got in January and February when I was in the desert. Some I got on this trip, like Petrified Forest, Illinois, Acadia National Park, Theodore Roosevelt Park, and Just recently I got the Golden Spike when in Utah, and the Columbia Gorge, and the Multnomah Falls. Sorry you can't see that very well. What I use to stick them with are these circles. They have gel on the back, so they stick on the fabric very well. You pull the paper off, and they stick to the fabric on my valance. When this valance is full, I guess I'll have to start using the back one over the bed. These are cheese curds. I learned to eat them with my cousins when I was in Wisconsin. These are chipotle cheese curds. I don't think my cousins would eat the chipotle, but I will. Chipotle cheese curd from Blue Heron Cheese Factory. Good. A good amount of chipotle, not too hot, just enough to give you a little spice. Now I'm trying the crackers that I bought with the brie and the blackberry jelly. Let me show you. There's the avocado oil and sea salt crackers, and there they are out of the box. And I have the smoked brie and the blackberry jelly, and I've already made up my crackers here. Little crackers here. Here's my cracker. Yummy. Very yummy. And tomorrow we will head south to Florence, Oregon, and explore around Florence. So stay tuned for that video. If you liked the video today of me getting here to Blue Heron Cheese Factory, give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. Thanks for watching.